Good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. I got this box about a week ago from Focal Name, who are the distributors of Avid Hi-Fi UK to Canada, and I'm really happy that they authorized me to become one of their dealers for Ottawa. And this is going to be my high-end turntable offering. So I got the Ingenium plug and play. And this will be part one of the unboxing. So I've got the Ingenium cover, dust cover, which is a separate accessory, but I thought it would be a good idea. And there's the actual turntable here. So Ingenium plug and play. Not going to unbox it completely and set it up. That'll be in part two, because the shelf that it's going to go on is over there and it needs a good dusting. I got to rearrange some stuff. It's pretty messy here, but the house is quiet, the AC is cool. It's been hot for the last few days and I haven't had any motivation to do anything really. So there you go. This is going to be exciting. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm sure you guys will be eager to join me in this journey. Thanks for tuning in.